Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to personalize your email signature. Personalizing your email signature adds a professional and personal touch to your messages. Here's how to customize your email signature on your Windows PC. Visit Gmail in your browser and log in. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and choose See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll to the Signature section. Click Create New to add a signature. Name your signature and click on Create. Here, enter your personalized details and format them using the toolbar. For example, font, colors, or bold. Set signature defaults. Assign the signature to new emails and or replies. And check on this option. Now, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Tips for personalizing your signature. Include key details like full name, job title, and company name, phone number, and email address, website or social media links. Keep it simple. Avoid overloading with information or excessive design elements. Add a logo or image. Use the image upload option if supported by your email client. Use a consistent style. Match fonts and colors with your professional branding. Include a call to action. Examples like check out our latest blog post or follow us on LinkedIn. Lastly, test your signature. Send a test email to yourself to ensure the formatting and links appear as intended. With these steps, you can create a professional and personalized email signature that leaves a great impression. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.